ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय कोटिसूर्यसमप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयं। पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। अद्य
नमस्ते।
नमस्ते नमस्ते महोदय, कथमस्ति?
सम्यक् अस्मि।
गोः विषये अद्य किञ्चित् पठामः इति अहं चिन्तितवती।
गौः गौः
गौ
गौः what is
गौः
गौ
गौः
गौः
What is the pratipadikam?
गोशब्दं
Gosha.
ओकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः स्त्रीलिङ्गः अपि एवमेव एकमेव समानमेव।
ओके स्त्रीलिंग तो go is pulling also
आम्।
Isha how do you pronounce gauh
गौः गौः
oh this is not how this is who actually
गौः
visarga is
गौ
who
हा गौः गोः इफ् यु से गोः तत्र ओकारः श्रूयते किल, अत्र गौ गौः यु केनाट् से गौः, से गौः।
no I'm saying gauh
हा गौहौ इत्युक्ते हौ इति नास्ति गौः।
gauh
गौ
so this is an exception actually gauh esa gauh no this is goho goho धेनुः इति नामान्तरं विद्यते. I read the story first or how is it?
Your choice.
Okay. अस्याः चत्वारः पादाः सन्ति, द्वे शृङ्गे वर्तते, एकं लम्बम्।
इदानीम् अग्रिमछात्राः पठन्ति।
परमेश्वर
द्वे शृङ्गे वर्तते, एकं लम्बम् उच्चं च विद्यते, यं प्रकृत्या आकारेण च परमा साध्वी, अस्याः वत्सः समीपे तिष्ठति।
प्रत्यहं गोपालः द्विवारं गां क्षीरं दोग्धि प्रातः सायं च द्वौ गोदोहनकालौ भवतः। Should I read the next? Okay, go ahead, Swapna Mahadev.
गोपः वामेन करेण पात्रं धृत्वा दक्षिणेन हस्तेन दुग्धं दोग्धि। प्रथमं वत्सः क्षीरं पिबति पश्चात् पयः गां दोग्धि गोपालः हनानन्तरं गोदोः अनन्तरं
गोदोहन अनन्तरं
गोदोहन अनन्तरं सः वत्सः पुनः पयः पिबति
गावः प्रीत्या हरितानि तृणानि पिण्याङ्कं कार्पासबीजानि बुसं च खादन्ति ताः मधुरं क्षीरं वितरन्ति च
धेनूनां क्षीरं सर्वेषां पथ्यं भवति क्षीरेण दधि तक्रं नवनीतं घृतं च भवन्ति घृतेन वर्तते बुद्धिः
गोमयं गोमूत्रं घृतं दधि क्षीरं च गव्यमिति प्रख्यातम् एतत् प्राशनम् सकल पाप निवारकम् इति मन्यन्ते
गौः अस्माभिः मातेव पूजनीया देवतेव दर्शनीया दीनेव दयनीया निधिः इव रक्षणीया च अस्ति
भुक्त्वा तृणानि शुष्कानि पीत्वा तोयं जलाशयात् दुग्धं ददति लोकेभ्यः गावो लोकस्य मातरः
So easy to understand, no?
हाँ
क्लिष्टता किञ्चिदपि नास्ति
गोः कथाः एषा गौः दिस् इस् कौ ओके गोः धेनु इति नामान्तरं विद्यते गोः धेनुः ओके धेनु इति नामान्तरं okay so there is another name for goho that is dhenu then difference in name exists okay so goho is sashti right
So the cow's another name.
oh goho namantaram like that goho namantaram धेनुः इति विद्यते okay अस्याः चत्वारः पादाः सन्ति अस्याः is idam षष्ठी correct idam स्त्रीलिंग षष्ठी अस्याः so
अस्मत् शब्दः किल
no not asmad idam शब्द idam अस्याः
आम्
Ayam, iyam.
ayam idam and then
it is idam shabdah but iyam strilinga
iyam striling that's all idam strilinga षष्ठी विभक्ति अस्याः चत्वारः पादाः सन्ति अस्या means she has चत्वारः 4 legs she has 4 legs
द्वे शृङ्गे
द्वे शृङ्गे वर्तते is has so she has 2 horns
एकं लम्बं पुच्छं च विद्यते She has got one tail,
Hmm.
long tail. Iyam prakritya akarena cha parama sadvi. She is by nature very sadhu, sadvi.
Very
By
What
nature
is
as well as by
right.
akaranena means by form. Akarana. Karena.
Prakritya akareణ cha.
Acha. So by nature as well as by size,
so?
it is akaranam means
Shape.
shape. She is Parama Sadhvi. Sadhvi means
Mild
humble.
or
Humble.
Docile.
Good.
Tyaha Salsa
Good lady.
Tishtadi. Her calf is near her.
oh, okay. What is vidyate means?
Present.
Plus.
Exist.
As.
Vartate.
Vartate
Vartate is
vidyate.
same. The same.
Ah.
Okay. प्रत्यहं गोपालः द्विवारं गां क्षीरं दोग्धि. So pratyah gopalah, the cowherd, the shepherd, cowherd, dvivaram, twice he takes the milk.
He milk the cow.
Milks the cow twice. Pratyaham means
Every morning. Pratyaham.
pratyaham. Every in fact it is twice. It is twice, right?
Pratyaham is what? Prati?
Every day.
Everything.
Prati.
Every day.
2 times. Dvivaram is
Every
what?
day Gopalaha twice he milks the cow.
But what is
Dogdhi. Dogdhi is latlakara. Duh prapurane iti dhatuhu. Tasya latlakare dogdhi dugdhaha. Dogdhi dugdhaha duhanti. Iti rupani.
Shouldn't it be Goho Shiram Dogdi? Why is Gam and Shiram both in Ditya Vibhakti?
That this duh prapurane dhatu asti kila. Tattu there is one this thing. Upapada vibhaktis they are called. When such kind of there are some 20 or so in number. When they are used, it can be in Dvitiya vibhakti
Instead of Sasti.
So the Pratipatikam is go, but Dvitiya Vibhakti is Gam.
Go shab
Okay. Pratah
एकवारं गो शब्दमपि वयं द्रष्टुं शक्यते इदानीं शब्दमञ्जर्यां
Gohu, Gavo, Gavaha, He Gohu, He Gavo, He Gavaha.
Which page, Anil Mohoday?
एकनिमिषम् अत्र एव I will share अत्र एव
I am using 198 page of the Pravesha Pustaka.
Oh, okay.
That is Pullinga Sabda, na?
स्त्रीलिङ्गे अपि समानमेव
Pullinga. That is what is reading Pullinga Sabda. This is Strilinga.
Oh, okay.
समानमेव
I am saying Saman is equal same. Yeah. Gavo, Gava, He Goho, Gavo, He Gavaha, Gam, Gavo, Gaha, Gava, Gobhyam, Gobhihi, Gave, Gobhyam, Gobhyah, Goho, Gobhyam, Gobhyah, Goho, Gavoho, Gavam, Gavi, Gavoho, Goshu. Goshu.
परमेश्वरन् महोदय कानपि एकवारं
Which one? Goho.
Go shabd mein.
Go, gao, gavaha, e goho, e gavo, e gavaga, gam, gao, gaha. Gava, gobhyam, gobihi, gave, gobhyam, gobyaha. Goho, gobhyam, gobyaha, goho, gavoho, gavam. Gavi, gavoho, goshu.
Saraswati Mahoday.
Gauhu, gauhu, gavo, gavaha, he gavo, gavo, he gavo, he gavaha, gam, gavo, gaha, gava,
Gava.
gobhyam,
Gava.
gava, gava, gobhyam, gobihi, gave,
Gave.
gobhya, gave, gobhyam, gobhyah, goho, gobhyam, gobyah, goho, gavoho,
Gavam.
gavam, gavi, gavoho, goshu.
Goshu. Swapna Mahoday.
Gauhu, gavau, gavaha, he gauhu, he gavo, he gavau, he gavaha, gam, gavau, gaha, gava, gobhyam, gobhihi, gave, gobhyam, gobhyah, goho, gobhyam, gobhyah, goho, gavoho, gavam, gavi, gavoho, goshtu.
इदानीं पुनः पठामः.
प्रातः सायं च द्वौ गोदोहन कनकाले कालौ भवतः. So what is it? Morning and evening twice, two times to milk the cow occurs. Gopah Vamane Karane.
If somebody tries to milk the cow during the daytime, it will not be all that happy to give milk.
So only in the morning and evening.
Nature has set it like that.
Okay. Gopah Vamane Karane Vamena Karane Karena Gopah Vamena Karena Patram Drutva Dakshinena Hastena Dugdham Doghi.
एतद् उभयपदी अपि अस्ति दुः प्रपूरणे आत्मनेपदी forms are also there, parasmaipadi forms are also that form is also there.
Okay. So Gopah, which is like the cow herd, he has the left hand. He has the patram vessel.
He
holds a vessel. Drutva holding a vessel on the left hand. Then with the right hand he does the milking. He milks the cow. Astena dugdam dogti. Okay.
Prathamam vatsah kshiram pibati paschat payah gam dogdhi gopalah. So first the calf drinks milk, afterwards payah gam. The rest, payah is the rest.
Payah is also milk. Payah.
Okay. The
payas sakaranta shabda.
The cow gives milk to the shepherd, or the shepherd, the cowherd
milks.
Cowherd milks the milk. The cow
milks the cow.
Then what is Payaha doing here?
Instead of kshiram, here payas is given. That's all. Payaha is given.
Gopalaha gam dogti. Done, right?
Paschat Gopala Gam Dogdi is good enough, right?
Yes. They have given extra. They know Anil Mahodaya Prashnam Prichhati.
Okay.
Pakshat means Pakshat.
Paschat, afterwards.
Paschat, afterwards.
Godohanan
Anantaram.
Godohanantaram. Saha Vatsaha
Godohana Anantaram.
Payaha Pibati. So after
Milking the cow.
Milking the cow, the calf again drinks milk.
गावः प्रीत्या हरितानि तृणानि पिण्याकं कार्पासबीजानि बुसं च खादन्ति. गावः is
Sorry, Bahuvachanam.
बहुवचन. Okay.
Gavaha.
So cows pritya. What is
With love.
Pritya.
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 priti pritya?
That is
What is
Tritiya.
Pritya?
Priti. Santustena. Sandoshena.
Okay.
Priti Shabdaha. Pritya.
With love. With love.
Okay. With happiness. Haritani. So green grass. Haritani trinani. Green grass. Pinyakam.
That oil cake, something they say, no?
Pardon?
Oil cake.
Oil cake.
Punnak.
Punna cake.
Karpa sabijani.
This Karpasam ityukte cotton. They feed that also to cows.
Karpa vegetables, sabijani.
Bijani means seeds.
Oh, karpas bijani. Oh, okay. Cotton seeds. Busam.
Oh, they give that?
Yes.
Hay, right?
Actually, long ago, maybe more than 20 years back, my in-laws, they had these buffaloes in their house. So we were all trained to give injections and to feed them and all those things. Of course, I tried this milking, I didn't get success. But it was fun.
It's very difficult, it seems, right?
Very difficult. Yeah. But you have to take care like a family member. Yeah.
So, but after some time, you may have become family member, right? Then it might have allowed you.
No, not allowing. I didn't understand the technique actually. Of course, I learned to give injection, but I couldn't milk.
Busham. What is busham?
Busham is the dust.
Chaff.
Busam ityukte, when you sieve this atta flour.
Remaining.
That what remains, that dust.
Husk.
That is fed.
Husk.
Cha khadanti. So cows with love eats green grass, oil cakes, cotton seeds, and husks. Taha madhuram kshiram vitaranti cha. Taha. So taha is those or they. They madhuram kshiram vitaranti cha. Vitaranti means distribute.
Yes.
Gives.
Okay, those give. Those give sweet milk and those give sweet milk. Dhenunam kshiram sarvesham pathyam bhavati. Dhenunam kshiram. Okay, cows. Dhenunam is a Shashti Bahuvachana. Cows milk. Everyone.
For everyone, right?
Everybody can drink.
Sarvesham.
Sarvesham is again Shashti. No.
Okay.
Shashti, right? Dhenunam Kshiram Sarvesham. Of everyone. Dhenunam
Kshiram Sarvesham Pathyam Bhavati. It is good for everybody.
But how did it become for? It's Sarvesham, right? Sarvesham is Saptami, huh?
Sarvashabdam vadatu ekavaram.
सप्तमी नहीं
Sarve
सर्वस्य सर्वयोः सर्वेषां
सर्वे सर्व षष्ठी एव सर्वस्य सर्वयोः.
Yeah, Sarvesham is Shashti. Sarveshu.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so how is it fitting here?
Yeah, for everybody. I mean, for in the sense.
For is not, it should be off.
Not exactly.
off. It is off. It is a food of everybody.
Yeah. Kshiram is good for everybody. That is what I'm saying.
So, Dhenu's means cow's milk is Pathyam. Pathyam is drinkable. Huh?
Pathyam ityukte it is good, like to be had.
Cow's milk is good of everyone. How do you translate?
क्षीरेण दधि तक्रम नवनीतम घृतम च भवन्ति. From milk we get butter, curd, buttermilk, butter and ghee. Ghrutena vartate buddhi. With ghritam, that is with ghee, our intelligence increases.
There is a Subhashita also.
How did that work? I didn't understand. The Sarvesham fitting?
See, Sarvesham for everybody, it is a good. That's all.
No, but Sashti is not for, right? It is off.
No, but you correct it. Full English translation, it won't.
It
All
won't
words.
Sometimes.
See, just like Sarvesha, in brackets you can put Krute. Then it will become Sashti Vibhakti.
Then you ought to use Dudya, Sarvan Krite.
Krute will follow, will have Sashti Vibhakti.
Sarvesham Krite vaktum shakyate. Badha nasti tatra.
Dudya bhi bhavati.
Krite is what? How did you say krite?
Oh, for the sake of, like that. I did. For whom did you do this? Then you will say Krite.
अत्र घृतेन वर्धते बुद्धिः इत्यस्ति किल तत्र एकं सुभाषितम् अस्ति क्षीरेण आयुष्यवर्धनम् घृतेन वर्धते बुद्धिः क्षीरेण आयुष्यवर्धनम् शाकेन वर्धते व्याधिः मांसं मांसेन वर्धते इति तत्र घृतेन वर्धते बुद्धिः क्षीरेण आयुष्यवर्धनम्
Milk increases the age.
Because your lungs become stronger. That too we have only Indian cows. Indian cow milk is good for health.
Good for?
Health. And not these cow milk of other countries.
Why is it?
No, they have some medicinal property. That's why they say that A1, A2, some difference is there, no?
Yeah.
Some noise is coming.
My speaker.
Now it is okay. Then shakena vardhate vyadhihi. Shakam ityukte not all vegetables. They specifically say like this alukam, root vegetables.
Root
They are not.
vegetables.
They are to be avoided.
Jamikand. We call them jamikans.
तदनन्तरं मांसं मांसेन वर्धते. यः कोऽपि मांसं खादति, it's not good. That we are seeing.
What is mamsa say? Vardate. Vardate is increase.
Means body.
You become fat.
Fat comes.
Oh, okay. Eat fat, you become fat.
Now we are seeing the effect of this non-veg also, isn't it?
Saraswati,
Gomayam, Gomutram, Ghrutam, Dadi, Kshiram, Cha, Gavyamiti, Prakyatam. Gomayam is the cow dung, and Gomutram is the urine of the cow, and Ghrutam is this one, ghee. Dadhi is curd, yogurt, and Kshiram is milk. All these 5 are called Panchagavyamiti. Iti, Gavyam, Iti, Prakyatam. It's famous. It's all known as 5. And they use it for puja and everything.
Excuse me. What is this Gavyamiti?
that is a new source.
Panchagavyam. Pancha is 5. Gavyam, it's like the
Go, belonging to go.
Gavyam. Iti. Etat prashanam.
Actually, while typing this, I didn't notice that.
What did you notice?
This etat should have been separate.
Yeah. Etat prashanam.
Yeah, but in Sanskrit we can keep on joining words, right?
Sakalamapi sakala papa nivarakam. Sakala papa nivarakam iti manyante. So this pancha gavyam, it is known to do remove all the sins.
Drinking this gavyam. Prashanam is drinking.
Prashanam is having. Anna prashanam we say, no?
Yeah, okay. Etat prashanam, all these things. Because Panchagavyam is ekavachanam, so they have used etat. Etat prashanam. Sakala papa nivarakam iti manyante. They say over it. Manyante says. Okay.
Who is they here?
Generally.
People.
Generally, it is said.
People. It is said.
It's not they say, but they believe. It is believed. Like
Is believed.
Gauhu asmabhihi.
Swapna nahi hai.
Oh, sorry.
Gauhu asmabhihi mateva pujaniya devateva darshaniya dineva dayaniya nidhihi iva rakshaniya cha asti. So the cow, asmabhi is us, right?
by us.
By us.
Tritiya bahuvachanam of asmad, right?
Was that Tritiya?
Bahuvachan of asmad.
Asmad, Tritiya vibhakti, right? So by us, the cow is worshipped as mother.
Yakshaniya.
Mateva
pujaniya.
Protection.
Mataiva.
Devateva. So
Oh, is it Mata Eva?
Mata iva.
Mata iva Mata iva pujaniya, devata iva darshaniya. Like
Oh,
So they
patat,
were,
patat.
so looked upon as God, right? Devate.
Needs to be.
Dine,
Needs to be.
needs to be. Okay,
it should
looked
be
upon.
should, right? Because it is Pujaniya, Darshaniya. It should.
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 Okay. Dineva dayaniya. So
This is
for
aniyar pratyaya, right? Aniyar pratyaya.
Aniyarva.
Dineva dayaniya should be for the poor. Dineva.
Dineva daya means you must
mercy.
show a lot of compassion.
Oh, okay. Nidhihi. Nidhihi is
Wealth.
A treasure.
What did you say, Parmeshwar?
Treasure.
Treasure. Okay. Nidhi eva rakshaniya. Protect. Should protect.
Should be.
Should protect.
Gau should be protected. Like
Acha,
like
asti.
wealth, like treasure. Okay.
Okay. So it is like cow should be worshipped as mother,
Mother.
should be looked upon as God,
God.
should be compassioned, like Dina is poor or someone, and then protected like treasure. That's what it means, right?
So what is then? It is cha asti.
And these all things, right? And this and this,
Four
and
times.
protected like treasure.
Okay.
Go ahead, Anil.
Asti is there, yeah, correct. So then how does asti fit in here?
Because it is.
It is Santi or Asti?
see
Because
here,
it is Gau, right?
here
Gau.
they are saying Mateva Pujaniya, Devateva Darshaniya, Dineva Dayaniya, and Nidhiva Rakshaniya.
Yeah, that is fine. What is asti doing there? Asti is not
Yeah, that
required.
is.
It is, if you don't try say asti also, then also it's okay. But they have given, it's okay, no problem.
Because otherwise it becomes should be protected. So is it like past tense or?
Pujaniya asti. Gauhu.
Mabhihi
Mateva
Pujaniya Asti.
Pujaniya asti. Devateva Darshaniya asti. Dineva Dayaniya asti. There is
Yeah.
nothing.
So what will it mean? Gauhu Pujaniya Asti. What does it mean?
Needs to be worshipped like mother.
Should be. Okay. Fine. Bhuktva trinani shushkani pitva toyam jalashayat. Bhuktva.
Read the next line also. It's
Dugdham dadati lokebhyah gavo lokasya matara. Okay.
Eating, I think. It eats. After
Shushkani
eating,
Trinani.
after
Shushkani Trinani. Shushkani Trinani Bhuktva. That means dry leaves, dry grass.
Oh,
And
okay.
Jalayasayad Toyam Pitva. Dugdam Dadadi Lokebhyaha Gavau.
Yeah, understood. So having ate dried grass and having drunk water from the pond, she gives milk to people. That's why cow is world's mother. Gavo.
Gavaha.
Oh, Gavaha.
Cows.
Okay. Gavaha.
Mother.
Yeah. Oh, okay. So it's just even after eating dry grass and water, she gives milk.
Yes.
That's why she is a mother of the world. Okay.
Yes.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
And the two medicinal, the milk has so many medicinal properties, isn't it? So that's why cow needs to be worshipped.
Okay. This gives a very I never thought in this perspective why it should be worshipped as mother.
Recently only I was reading something. Suddenly I came across this. So I thought everybody should know.
No, previously every house has a cow. The cow is actually it is good for the nature also. It is,
I know that. Even my grandfathers had cows and other things.
They say, right, after mother's milk for a human child, cows like Haripriya Bhagini said, Indian cow, that A1 or A2 cow, that milk is the next suitable for human beings, not like buffalo milk or anything.
I have read some 7-8 years ago. It seems they transported many excellent varieties of cows from India to Mexico. That's what I read somewhere. Some lakhs of cows were transported. So they have very good medicinal properties. Anyhow, this one I found it interesting. Once somebody was told that in Bhojaraja's Dharanagari, everybody is a poet. So that person, he wanted to test, etat satyam va na va iti. सः एकः सन्तुवायः अस्ति किल, तस्य समीपं गच्छति धारानगर्यां, तं भोजराजं प्रति नयति. He thinks definitely this fellow, he cannot, he is a weaver and he cannot talk about any poetry, and he takes him there, and Raja asks him, what is this? What do you do? That person who came to test. So Bhojaraja asks him, what are you doing? Like that. So that weaver says, I don't know whether this is true or not, but we hear so many stories about this
Bhojaraja
and Kalidasa. So,
Kalidasa and Bhoja.
This I found interesting.
Charutaram karomi, yatnat karomi, yadi charutaram karomi. Okay, kavyam karomi nahi. I don't do poetry.
No, read the entire shloka and then.
Okay. Kavyam karomi nahi, charutaram karomi, yatnat karomi, yadi charutaram karomi. Bhupala Mauli Mani Mandita Pada Pitha He Bhojaraja Kavyami Vayami Yami.
Kavayami Vayami Yami.
Oh, Kavayami Vayami Yami. Kavyam Karomi Nahi. I don't do poetry. Charutaram Karomi. What is Charutaram?
Beautiful. Beautiful. Charu is beauty.
What is
Charulata?
Charulata. Beautiful.
What is Charutaram then?
Charu is taraptama pratyaya, comparative degree, you see, no?
Oh, okay.
Better.
Oh, better. Oh, okay. I do better things. That's what he's trying to say. Yatnat karomi. Yatnat. I try. Huh? Yatnat is Panchami, right? Yatnat. From?
Prayatnam.
With
effort.
By, no, from.
I do with Yatnam.
Oh, but it's Panchami, then how did it become with?
With effort. With effort, I do.
Yeah, but with is Tritya, right?
Yatnena should be.
From effort.
Okay, from effort.
From effort I do. Yadi charutaram karomi. Yadi charutaram karomi. Okay. If I do better. Okay, I didn't understand. I don't do poetry. I do better things. I'll try from effort.
No, I do better things is not there. Kavyam karomi nahi. Actually, I don't do poetry. Yadi yatnat karomi.
Whatever I try.
Yadi tarhi charutaram karomi. That's what he is saying.
Oh, okay.
Yadi yatnat karomi. Tarhi is not there, it is hidden.
Yes.
Okay. So it is like kavyam charutaram nahi karomi. Yadi yatnat karomi tarhi charutaram karomi.
See? So beautiful.
No, but then the karomi got extra there. One karomi is extra. Bhupala Moli Mani Mandit Padapita.
Mani Mandita Padapita. Mani Mandita Padapita.
What is Moli?
Mauli.
Chandramauli is
this kiritam, this crown.
Okay. Oh, Bhupala Moli Mani Mandita. Okay, king's crown. Mani Mandita is decorated with the jewels. Padapita.
Here what he is saying is, Bhojaraja, hey Bhojaraja, your Padapitham is decorated with the Samanta, this other.
What is Padapitha?
The Pitha where he
Simhasanam.
Not Simhasanam. Footrest. The stool kind of a thing that before the Simhasanam.
Yes. Where he keeps his leg, foot. Bhojaraja.
Okay.
Hey Bhojaraja.
Hey Bhojaraja, your footrest is decorated by jewel like the king's crown.
No. The other these vassals would be there, no? Other Samantaraja, they say. They who are under Bhojaraja. So your Padapitham is full of their crown jewel.
Oh, okay. Hey Bhojaraja, your footrest is full of king's.
You are so powerful.
Jewel decorated king crowns. So Kavyami. Vayami Yami.
Mauli Mani.
What is Kava?
Mandit Pada.
Kavayami. I do poetry. Kavayami.
Oh, okay. Vayami.
Aham Tantuvayaha. Vayami.
Vaya is age, right?
Vayati. Tantuvaya.
Weaving.
Oh, okay.
This is a verb.
So I weave poetry. Is that what it is?
Yeah. I weave.
Yami means?
Go. I go. Now I go.
Oh.
Yami is what it?
I go. Ya prapane ityasti kila.
Okay, so I do poetry, I weave, I go.
I poetry,
This. Okay, English translated, but what does it mean?
So, see, even being a weaver, he could do so beautifully some poetry.
Okay.
And one more this thing is there. Once, for some reason, Kalidasam Bahishkritavan Bhojaraja. तदा कालिदासः अपि कुत्र कस्मिंश्चित् ग्रामे गतवान्, तत्र एव निवसति स्म। तदा भोजराजः मम एषः कालिदासः कथम् अस्ति इति ज्ञातुम् इच्छति। ततः छद्मवेषेण मीन्स् ही
disguised
in disguise सः कालिदासं द्रष्टुं तद् ग्रामं गतवान्। गत्वा कालिदासम् उक्तवान्, कालिदासः पृष्टवान् कः त्वं भोः, किमर्थं तत्र धारानगर्यां कः समाचारः इति। तदा भोजराजः उक्तवान्, अरे तत्र भोजराजः दिवङ्गतः इति। तदा कालिदासः बहु दुःखितः अभूत्। सः उक्तवान्, एतत् श्लोकम् उक्तवान्, अद्य धारा निराधारा निरालम्बा सरस्वती पंडिताः खण्डिताः सर्वे भोजराजे दिवङ्गते। With
Divangate means died, is it?
Yes. With Bhojaraja's death, Adya Dhara Niradhara Abhut. Saraswati Niralamba Abhut. Panditaha Khanditaha. There is no recognition for Panditas now.
So Adya Dhara Niradhara. So now Dhara is without any king, without any support. Niralamba Saraswati. Niralamba
Saraswati has no one to depend upon.
Okay.
Dhara is
Dhara Nagari.
Dhara Nagari. Okay.
Niradhara, Niralamba, Saraswati, Pandita, Khandita, Panditaha, Khanditaha.
Sarve Panditaha. Sarve Panditaha, Khanditaha.
Sarve Panditaha, Khandita. Oh, all Pandits are Baiskara, are thrown out. Nowhere there. So Bhojaraje Divangate. Oh, that's why Bhojaraja is gone.
Because of Bhojaraja.
Raja is gone.
What?
So Raja is gone. These all things will happen.
Oh, because Raja is gone, that's why this will happen.
So Bhojaraja, after hearing this, he fell down actually with some shock. Immediately, Kalidasa realized, Esha Bhojaraja eva iti. Immediately he changed this. Adya dhara, sadadhara, sadalamba saraswati, panditaha, manditaha, sarve, Bhojaraje bhuvangate.
Okay. Now dhara is all flowing. Sadal always depend. Saraswati can always depend there, and all panditas are honored. And Bhojaraja bhuvangate. What is bhuvangate?
Bhuvangate means he is living.
Beauty. All matching. From earlier one also it is matching, but it just reverted the whole meaning.
Yes. So we want to do some translation now. Very easy sentences only.
Madhava is a gardener. Mali.
Udyana Palakaha.
See? Such easy sentence.
Madhava Udyana Palaka Asti.
Madhavaha.
Even I can say Madhava Udyana Palakaha.
Madhavaha Udyana Palakaha.
Madhavaha Udyana Palakaha. Yeah, permission, you want to go?
He goes to a garden. Saha Udyanam Gacchati.
There are trees all around the garden. Udyanam paritaha vrikshan santi.
Vrikshaha.
Vrikshaah, sorry, vrikshaah santi. This one should be Dvitiya Vibhakti. Udyanam paritaha vrikshaah santi.
Because it is paritah, that's why.
Yeah. Paritaha means Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Dvitiya Vibhakti, what did he say?
Yeah, paritaha means you have to use
Prathama, vrikshaah.
No,
Udyanam paritaha. That means
Udyanam should be in Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Yeah, and vriksha.
Around which? Around what?
Okay.
So that should
And
be
there
Dvitiya.
can be only one Dvitiya, right? One should be in Prathama Vibhakti. So vrikshaah should be in Prathama.
There are flowers and fruits all around the garden. Garden 2. Okay. So, Pushpani, Phalani. Right? Udyanam paritah Pushpani Phalani cha santi.
Phalani api too.
Api santi. Madhavaha goes towards the house. Madhavaha towards
Prati.
Okay. Madhavaha griham prati gachati.
There are trees on either side of the house. Graham Ubayadaha Vrikshaha Sandhi.
What did you say?
Ubhayataha.
Ubayadaha.
Damodara is a student. Damodaraha Chatraha asti.
He is going towards the school. So, Saha Patashalayam prati gachati.
Patashalam
prati gachati.
Oh,
Prati,
Patashalam prati gachati.
Prati is there, right? There are boys on all sides of the school. Okay. All sides. Boys. Chatra. No. Balakaha. Okay. All sides. Sides is like around only or where?
Paritaha.
Okay. Paritaha. Balakaha. Balakaha. Balakaha.
Patashala.
Patashalam.
Patashalam.
Vidyalayam paritaha. Vidyalayam paritaha.
No, Balakaha Patshala.
Patashalam paritaha.
Patshalam sarve paritaha.
Sarva iti.
All
sides is paritaha.
Oh, okay. Balakaha Patshalam paritaha. Asti. No, santi.
There are teachers on all sides of the school. Vidyalayam paritaha Shishakaha Sandhi. Adhyapakaha Sandhi.
He looks at the teachers and the students. Saha adhyapakan chatran cha pashyati.
Malapur is a village.
Hello. Okay, I got frozen actually.
Malapuraha gramam asti.
Gramaha
asti.
What did you say? He looks at the teachers and the students for that? I got
Saha adhyapakan chatran cha pashyati. Because of the Dvitiya Vibhakti Bahuvachanam, it should be Adhyapakaha Adhyapakan Chatraha Chatran.
Vidya Vibhakti. Vidya Vibhakti. Correct.
Looks at is just pashyati. Okay.
No, what are you saying? Dvitiya Vibhakti?
That is
the object is
Dvitiya Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. There are 2 gardens on either side of Malapur. Okay. There are 2 gardens. द्वौ उद्यानौ द्वौ उद्याने ओके
उद्यानं
द्वे उद्याने द्वे उद्याने द्वे उद्याने मालापुरम् उभयतः द्वे उद्याने सन्ति द्वे उद्याने
सन्ति बहुवचनं किल
ओके द्वे उद्याने स्तः राइट मालापुरम् उभयतः द्वे उद्याने स्तः.
There are trees, flowers, and men on all sides of Malapur. Malapur Paridaha, Vrishaha, Pushpani, Purishaha cha Sandhi.
Mallapuram
Paridaha.
Mallapuram. Okay.
I see the beggar. Aham bhikshukam pashyami.
A beggar is there. Bhikshukaha asti.
Tatra. There.
Oh, is there? Oh, tatra. Tatra bhikshukaha.
Such simple sentence. Oh, there is nothing in this sentence.
Tatra bhikshukaha asti.
He desires wealth. Saha dhanam ichhati.
I am going towards the beggar. Aham Vishukam prati gachami.
Two bad men are walking towards the two good men. Dvau durjanau dvau sajjanau prati gacchataha.
It should be do sajjana. Sajjana. Okay. Do right. Dvitiya also is same. Correct. Trick question.
The two bad men trouble the two good men. So dvau durjanau trouble.
Custom.
Dvau sajjanau
पीडयति.
Suresh is a devotee. Suresah bhaktah asti. I am getting all simple ones.
Devalayam gachati. He goes to the temple.
Okay. The temple has gardens on all four sides. Mandiram prati udyanani santi.
Paritaha.
Mandiram paritaha udyanani santi. Or is sarvataha also same meaning? Sarvataha and abhitaha.
Paritaha should come here. Sarvataha is everywhere.
But shouldn't it be like chaturtaha?
Chaturthaha. Fourth.
Right.
Fourth, you are saying.
Four.
Around is all paritaha, right? So four sides is like, I don't know,
Chatvaraha.
Then it will come dikshu, like that.
Chatvaraha parsham.
Chatur dikshu. Mandiras. Then it will not be paritaha. Mandirasya chatur dikshu udyanani santi.
New
The
words.
temple has water on both sides. Devalayam, mandiram,
Ubayataha.
jalam ubayataha.
Ubhayataha jalam.
Ubhayataha jalam.
मन्दिरम् उभयतः जलम् अस्ति.
मन्दिरः उभयतः जलं.
मन्दिरम्
मन्दिरं
मन्दिरम् अथवा देवालयः. Choice is yours. देवालयम् उभयतः.
देवालयम् उभयतः जलम् अस्ति.
Suresh enters the water. सुरेशः जले प्रविष्टति.
जलम्.
In the water, right?
Enters the water.
Is it not enters in the water?
Enters is.
Jalam pravishati.
Oh, sorry. There is no in. Okay. Enters the water. Sureshah jalam pravishthati.
Pravishati, right? Pravishthati.
Pravishati.
Okay.
he saw Taradi. He swims.
Suresh enters the temple. Sureshah mandiram pravishati.
He walks towards the Lord. Saha devam prati gacchati. Chalati or gacchati. Yeah.
Gacchati sounds better, though walks is chalati. He does namaskara to the Lord. He does. Okay. Saha devaya namaha.
Devam
namati.
Okay. Saha devam namami. Namati.
There is water on both sides of the house. Griham prati jalam sandhi.
Ubhayatah. Both sides.
Griham ubhayatah jalam sandhi. Jalam is
Jalam asti.
Griham ubhayata jalam asti, right?
There are trees on all four sides of the house. Gruham paritaha vrikshan vrikshaha santi.
The fish and the tortoises, fishes and the tortoises cannot live without the water. So Meenaha and Kurmaha.
Kachapah api asti. Tortoise kachapah api vaktum shakyate.
Kurmaha api jalam vina na
जीवितुं
जीवतः
जीवितुं न शक्यते
जीवितुं न
जीवन्ति na jivanti also correct, right?
No, it is cannot, right? So
they will not live. Then
जीवितुं न शक्यते.
Sakyate is can is sakyate.
जीवितुं न शक्यते, right?
एकवारं पुनः वदतु.
मीनाः कूर्माः च जलं विना जीवितुं न शक्यते.
न शक्यते वा शक्येते वा शक्यन्ते वा
शक्यन्ते जलं विना जीवितुं न शक्यन्ते.
See, if I had said na jivanti, then what would have been the English translation?
Could not. Okay. Na
they will not live without water.
No, jivanti. They do not live.
They do not.
Na shakyante.
The birds cannot live without the sky and the trees. Okay. Khagaha. Akashah is correct, right?
Akasham. Jitya.
Akasham.
Akashah, vrikshaha cha vina na
Jeevitum.
जीवितुम
वृक्षान् विना आकाशम
ओके ओके
वृक्षान् च विना
जीवितुम न
शक्यन्ते
शक्यन्ते
I cannot live without food and water. Aham bhojanam jalam cha vina जीवितम न शक्नोमि.
शक्नोमि.
I cannot.
No, it should be sakne, right?
No, shaknomi. Aham.
Okay. No.
Atmanepadi. Are you saying it's because it's Atmanepadi?
Yeah.
Shaknoti. Parasmaipadi.
Before we used like shakyate, right?
That is Atmanepadi. Shakyate, shakyante.
So then for this it will be shakye.
Shaknomi.
Shakye.
Oh, so it is Ubhayapadi?
So for no Atmanepadi word for shakye?
No, it is there. But he wanted to use it as a Prasmapadi.
Okay. I'm just asking. If I want to use Atmanepadi, then I would have said Shakye. Aham bhojanam jalam cha vina na shakye. Jeevitum na shakye. Jeevitum na shakye. Okay. You are a devotee. Tvam bhaktaha asi.
You cannot live without God. Tvam devam vina jeevitum na shakyase.
Shakyase. Okay, shakyase.
Sakyase or sakyate?
Shakyase.
Sakyate.
Tvam
shakyase.
No. So it is Atmane or Parasmai here?
Atmane padi.
Madhyama Purusha.
The two of you are rich men. You are Yuvam.
37. Yeah. Yes.
Okay. The two of
Daniko.
Parameshwar Mahoday, 1 minute. Anil Mahoday's turn.
Okay.
The two of you are rich men. Two of you. So it will be Yuvam. You are rich men. Okay. Dhanikaho. Okay.
Bhavantau dhanikau api vaktum shakyate.
Oh, okay. Bhavantau dhanikau stah. Or otherwise I can use Yuvam.
Yuvam
dhanikau taha.
The two of you cannot live without wealth. Yuvam dhanam vina jeevitam na shaknudaha.
Shaknutaha, right?
To you they are saying, no? Shaknutaha is for third person, no?
Shaknudaha.
Shaknosi shaknutaha.
Shaknutaha.
Saknothaha, right? Saknothaha.
Shaknosi shaknutaha. So, व्यावहारिकशब्दाः सन्ति अत्र एकवारं पुनः पाकशालां गच्छामः वा?
साधनानि.
Pakshala sadhanani. What is this 9 there? 9 pakshala?
No. I was like whatever was there in Pravesha, I typed everything. Every time I can't search for that. So
Ama. Lavitram. What is lavitram?
sickle.
Pickle. Okay.
Sickle, not pickle.
Sickle means?
Which you hold.
No, cutting grass they use, no? Lavitram.
Oh, okay. Kitchen has sickle. Okay.
Kitchen doesn't have, but they are bringing vegetables. So you have to build a story like the way you did last.
Okay.
Lavitram is sickle.
Ely, what is Ely?
Ely,
Ely
that
is the coconut grater, scraper or grater.
no. This is also vegetable for cutting vegetables only. It is that knife is fixed to that wooden plank.
Oh, yeah.
In olden days, we used to have in our village.
Yes.
In Kannada, they say "Ilige mane."
Oh, okay.
Now, after seeing this only, I realized, oh, it has come from there.
Illy, I still didn't understand. Like, what is it?
That is one. It is attached to that plank, no? They use
This
that
knife.
with one hand.
A knife with which we cut vegetables. That knife is attached to a wooden plank.
Oh, okay. Like this cutter. Okay.
They will sit on the ground and cut
Like
it.
this.
Correct. Yes.
8 4.
You see this? You see this?
Understood.
This one.
Where did you get this picture instantly?
LKG book. Because I didn't know letters, I started with the LKG book.
So this is Sanskrit LKG book?
Yeah, Samskrita Bharati is all LKG book.
Oh, wow.
Very nice.
So we know our level. We are in LKG now. Shurika is again knife, I think. Darvi.
Ladle.
Oh, okay. With which you do farming?
Serve.
No, the serve.
Serve, you
To
serve or
serve.
you mix.
Oh, spoon.
Big spoon.
Big spoon.
Big one.
Big one.
The serving
serve.
spoon.
Okay.
To serve dal, sambar, all those things.
Randhra Darvi. Randhra is what?
Scraper, I think.
Hole.
The one with the holes.
Oh, okay.
Where you remove the fried food.
Fried food. Velani is that.
Belan.
Roti.
Peshana Yantram.
I think mixer, mixie.
Mixie.
Oh, okay. Peshana Yantram. I'll use this word now somewhere.
Bashpasthali.
Cooker.
Pressure cooker.
Thali means what? Thali means?
Thali.
Thalika is
Vaspa
plate.
is a steam.
Thali is plate, right?
Thalika is
Vessel
plate.
or thali is a vessel.
Okay.
In wedding, they use the thali pakam or something. There is one event.
Thalika is plate.
Plate.
Yeah.
Chasaka is
Glass. Tumbler.
Chamasa is a spoon. Droni is a
Bucket.
bucket. Yeah. Brashtam. What is that?
Brashtam, I too don't remember. Let me check.
Brashtam.
She can come with a picture. Saraswati, where is the picture?
No, I don't have this. I will find out. I'm writing it down.
Brashtam. Okay.
Brashtam, deep frying pan.
Okay. Pishta Pachanam. Pishta is
Walk. That is walk.
Pishta Pachanam is shallow pan.
Oh, okay. But pista is a floor, right? Floor.
That's why for roti we use this Pishta Pachanam. Like that.
Oh, okay. It's like a tawa.
Tawa.
Okay, okay. Shurpaha. Is it soup by any chance? Soup any chance?
No.
Vagaranam only.
Soup is soupaha eva.
Sieve?
Sieve, winnowing basket.
Pattaha. Pattaha is stool.
Pattaha is grinding stone.
Oh, okay, grind. Oh, for chutney and other things we use that one. Okay. Ulu khalam. Ulu khalam is that mortar.
It's a pestle. Mortar and pestle. That story is there, no? One poor Brahmin is there. Every day he would bring people as guests, and his wife has to feed them. So every day she has to go and ask the neighbors for preparing food. She doesn't have anything at home. They are very poor. So what happens? Every day she would go to the neighbors and ask for rice, sugar, whatever she needs for cooking, and she gets fed up. And almost every day she would go hungry. She will have only water and sleep. So once she gets terribly angry, and she decides to teach him a lesson. So what she does, when he brings people, they are sitting there, and he goes to the bathroom. Then she will come and bring a pestle and keep it there. The guests ask, "Why are you keeping it here?" She says, "No, I'm afraid if I tell you, he will be very angry." They say, "No, please tell us." So she says, he brings people every day and feeds them and then beats them with this pestle. It is, he likes that activity very much. So they are scared and they run away. So when the husband comes, he asks, "Where are my guests?" She says, "I don't know. They wanted this pestle. I refused to give. So they ran away." So he will take the pestle and run behind them. By seeing this pestle, they get frightened and they run faster. Agrima kakhyayam bhavantah etat katham samskrite likhantu. Vadantu. Samskrite vadantu.
Ulukalam is the grinding stone?
None.
Or pattaha?
Pattaha is
grinding stone.
Ulukalam is
So what?
pestle.
So pestle is the container, right? Mortar is the...
No. Pestle is that one with which they pound.
Okay.
Mortar and pestle. This one.
So what do you call the container?
Mortar.
No, in Sanskrit.
Mortar, I think.
Because in Hindi, okhli is the container.
I'll check and tell you. I don't remember now.
Manthanaha. Manthanaha is
the churning thing.
Churning.
For the buttermilk.
Buttermilk, even dal.
Tarkam, right? For buttermilk, it is tarkam in Sanskrit.
Takram.
Sandansam. Sandamsaha.
Sandamshaha is the tongs with
roti we pick.
No, I don't think so. To remove hot objects, hot vessels.
Like this.
Pakad.
Jamura. Kalasaha is a pot, water pot. Sheetakam.
Refrigerator.
Oh, okay. Ushna Raksham. So that is heater. Heater?
Ushna Rakshakam is
flask.
Flask.
Okay. Tapakaha. Heater?
Boiler.
Okay. Mishrakam. This is mixie, right?
This is mixie. That one I think was grinder.
What was the other name? Can you show?
Peshana
Peshana. No. Peshana yantram. This is grinder.
Grinder. Okay.
अस्तु इदानीं समयः अभवत् अतः कक्षायां प्रथमं पाकशालायां प्रविश्य तत्र कार्यं कृत्वा तदनन्तरं किञ्चित् अन्यत् पठामः.
So I have two questions. So the 26th date is finalized, right? Is it confirmed? Yeah. Okay. And then is it like how many? 1 hour, 2 hours? Or
3 hours.
It's whatever time you take, no problem.
3 hours. Okay.
Nobody is going to check you. You take
No, not because of that. Because I'm in production support, I have to block my calendar.
Okay.
That is the reason why I'm asking. So I don't want to be called on that day.
Saraswati
You
Puja
keep 4 hours for that. That is more than enough.
reminding and scaring us.
It is
The thing
not
is,
scary. Very
I
easy.
understand the principles easy. The memorization, I think only with practice it will come. It just goes away. When I read something, one word goes in, another word goes away.
That is what in the video, in the class video, I saw Bhuvanesh Modia explaining that how it happens when you go to exam hall.
Nirantaram abhyasam karotu agachati.
That I have already started. I am started mugging up the tables in Pravesha book at least.
That is my problem. If I don't understand, I cannot even memorize that. I have to understand every bit of it. Then only it goes
the
into my brain.
tables we understand.
Tables
Right?
also, I understand, but with usage or something, you have to. I have such a bad memory problem.
I'm not thinking like by hurting. I just every day read. And somehow I believe that if I read so many times, somehow it will be there in my head.
Also, writing helps.
Yeah, for me writing.
Yeah.
Writing become firmly established.
So I want to write after I memorize. That's what I'm waiting for.
The doubt will be whether it is Iswa or Dirgha. So that doubt will come.
Pardon?
No, write as you're learning.
Iswa or Dirgha.
Alpa prana, Mahaprana. All those things we need to pay attention.
Write as you're studying. It will get into it.
Okay. I'll try that.
Whatever suits you.
And try to take the help of your family members. They will help you. That's the way it should be done.
Yeah, I take help of my daughter actually.
She will also learn in the process. No?
Yeah.
अस्तु समापयामः वा?
धन्यवादः.
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. हरिः ओम्.
धन्यवादः.
धन्यवादः.
स्वागतम्.